Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Temu $100 coupon bundle. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to start using coupon bundles here on your Temu account, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, in order for you to start using those coupon bundles, you need to apply that into your account. Now, typically, it requires you to have a Temu account, so make sure to create one. But once you do have one, if you hover the orders and account section at the top right here and click on coupons and offers, this will redirect you to your coupons page. Now, in here, you should have the option to enter the coupon code that you have right now and click on apply. And basically, you should be able to start using this coupon, or they will be automatically used on certain purchases. Now, by the way, if you want to get a $100 coupon, we have one in our description, so check that out. But yeah, so this is the first option. Now, the second way for you to use coupons here, or the coupon $100 coupon bundles, is via the actual checkout page. Now, at the top right of the screen, you should see the checkout button. Let's go and select or click on it. Go ahead and click on the checkout at the right side here. And in the checkout page, you should be able to see the section for your order summary. Now, at the right side, you just need to click on the enter coupon code here. So you can just enter the coupon code and click on apply. Now, if you want to see your existing coupons that you have right now, go ahead and click on apply coupon code and basically choose one of the available coupon codes that is in your account. Now, from then on, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.